Hello students, welcome to my grammar class. In our last video we saw the explanation of our chapter adjectives and today we will cover its exercises. So as you all know, my name is Andani Mittal and let's start our studies fast. Okay. So first let me sum up 2 points that are important for this exercise are we have two forms of adjectives, that is ed form and the second is ing form. So it is very important for all of us to learn these two forms, that where to use this form. Okay, so first point is we can use or we have to use ed form wherever the person's feeling is mentioned, where the person's feeling is mentioned, there at that time we have to use ed adjective. Like for example, I was bored at home. Okay, I was bored at home. So bored is my feeling, that I am a person and I had a feeling, so here I will use bored. And in this example, wherever the effect is given, at that time we will use ing form. Effect in the sense that one person or one thing has effect over the another thing. Okay, for example, the movie was boring, so here the movie has a effect. You can ask the question to yourself that what kind of movie was it, so you can answer it that movie was boring. So here we have used ing. Okay, understand, mostly this is used for living thing and this is used in rare cases only, but mostly it is used in non-living things wherever it has a effect. Okay, and also you have to check the suitability of the sentence. So these points were important for the exercise. So now let's move on to our exercise. So first exercise is choose the correct word from the bracket and fill in the blanks. The first one has been done as an example. He is such a monotonous speaker. I was dash stiff. See here, I is a person and has a feeling, so bored, stiff. Most sequels are dash. So sequels is a non-living, and also what sequel has a effect, that what kind of sequels are, so it was disappointing. Sequels are disappointing. I had such a dash day that I went straight to bed. So day is non-living thing, so it was a tiring day. Okay, now next, everyone is very dash about the news. So everyone has a feeling, यानी कि वो person है सब, तो वहाँ पे क्या आएगा, excited. Now next, the lamp produces a very dash effect. So lamp is a thing and it has a effect, that it has pleasing effect. Okay, now next, the whole school was dashed by the tragic event. See, saddened. Why? Because whole school, here school is not a living thing. Here whole school is used in the sense that school has teachers, students and peons and etc. Many person comprises of a school. So here persons are mentioned, so people are mentioned, so it was saddened. Now next, I don't like watching dash films, so depressing films. I was dash when she told me she had got the promotion, so I was amazed. Now next, he is a very dash person, he only talks about himself. See here it is very important that here I will not use bored, because here see the sentence, first read it. He is a very dash person. Here I have to tell the quality of a person, that what kind of person he is. So he is a very boring person. Okay, so this sentence is important. Here I have to check the suitability and also understand the sentence. Okay, so in this sense he is a boring person. Now next is, I am very dash in films and theatres, so I am very interested. No one knew that what would happen next. We were all intrigued. It was very dash situation. So what kind of situation was it? So it was interesting situation. There has been some very dash news. So surprising news. He is always showing off. It's really annoying. Okay, it is. He is always showing off. It is really very annoying. Now she kept talking about her problems all night. It was rather embarrassing. Here not about she we are talking, we are talking about her problem, that is her problem has effect over her, so we have used here ing, that is embarrassing. So this was our exercise 1, and the points are wherever the feeling is given you have to use ed, and wherever the effect is given you have to use ing form of the adjective. Okay, now next, this chart is very important, so I think all of you might have learned it, and if you have not, then please by heart it. Okay, based on this chart only you will be able to solve the next exercise. So first we have to give opinion, then we have to give size, then age, then shape, then color, origin, and lastly the material. Okay, based on this order we have to arrange the sentence or the adjectives given. So now let's move on to exercise 2. Rearrange the words in following phrases correctly. The first one has been done as an example. Socks, old, horrible, smelly. So first opinion, then age, and then material. So horrible, old, smelly socks. Now wooden small box, turkeys are old. So a small, that is size, old is age, turkeys is origin, and lastly material, that is a small old turkey's wooden box. Now next, a man, plump, friendly, young. A young, plump, friendly man. Okay, or you can use a young, not a plump, friendly young man. Both the ways you can use. First you can use this also, and then in the next sentence you can use this one, whichever you like. Okay, here both are possible. Now next, wooden, dark, a table, long. So a long, that is size, dark, wooden table. Okay, now next, town, a Spanish, beautiful, old. A beautiful is the opinion, old is age, Spanish is origin, and lastly the purpose, that is a beautiful old Spanish town. Now next, smart, teacher, our young, our French. So our smart, young, French is origin, and teacher is the purpose. New, perfect system, a perfect new system. 18th century, a Scottish fantastic castle. So a fantastic 18th century Scottish castle. Now next, a clever businessman, enterprising. So a clever enterprising businessman. Now next, a preacher, self-righteous, a mean-minded. So a self-righteous is a quality, mean-minded preacher is the purpose. Spoilt boy, nasty, a little. So a spoiled is quality, nasty is also a quality. Now little boy, that is size, that is small, nasty, little, and boy is the purpose. Now next, blue-winged, delicate, a butterfly, mountain. So a delicate blue-winged mountain is the origin, and butterfly is the purpose. So a delicate blue-winged mountain, butterfly. For this exercise it is very important to remember that chart by heart, that chart. Okay, if you will not get this chart, then you will not be able to solve this exercise. So if you have any doubt in this exercise, you have to first by heart that chart and do practice of this exercise by seeing that chart. Okay, so you have to fill both of this exercise in your textbook and revise it as many as time you can. So this was all for today. Thank you.